Thanks for calling TWPD. This is Bryce. Can I help you? He's actually really busy at the moment. Is there something I can help you with? My name is Bryce. Bryce, like Bryce Cameron.
Okay, we finally got that stupid piece on. Golly.
Yeah, actually, most of the time is a good time. Just hold on one sec.
For the earpiece now. Maybe it's upside down. Feels like it should go that way, but it doesn't have stickiness. If I go this way, it goes too high. If I go that way, it goes too low.
Yeah, let me grab a pen.
There's no guidance here either. Okay, well, we're just going to put it on like this. But in order to do that, we have to remove this first. Wow, this adhesive is definitely troublesome. Of course, this is not cut out right either. This is just lovely. They just love to torture us, the Chinese, with bad parts. Come on, you should have cut these out better, right? Completely ruined that. Just a disaster. This adhesive. Yeah, so forget this adhesive. It's not going to work. Just use my own factory adhesive, no good. Yeah, I'm still working through it.
Yeah,
I thought it'd be faster, but it's just being a pain in the butt.
Anyway, he's still working diligently, so. Yep.
Just using some double-sided red adhesive tape here. You see the other pair of scissors? I need them. Okay, so then we get some adhesive on the bottom here. We'll find the bigger one here in a second. Looks like we need a thinner adhesive for that. Did you get the Galaxy 5 done?
Yes.
You put it all together?
Yes.
The iPhone 6, you're doing the Clearplex and all that for them?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Alright, now that we got the painful part of the adhesive almost done, it's like literally takes just 10 minutes just to do the adhesive part. I wish they would just put this adhesive on for us. I would pay an extra $5 just for that. Just using 1mm adhesive now.
Oh, that must have been going on the chat there. Sorry. Hold on one second, please. Charging port on the original Note.
The original Note?
Mm-hmm.
Does he realize it's 5 years old?
I just wanted to know.
$60? I might have it in stock.
Okay.
I might, I don't know.
Okay, right. That's the original one, right? Yeah, we can do it. I'm not sure if we have the part in stock to check. It's $60. Okay. Yeah.
Did he say no thank you after he realized his phone's worth $20?
Yeah.
Maybe he was hoping his phone would be for free. Note 1. Wow. Can't believe that people still have that old phone.
So this iPhone, do I do an ultra front or a HD front?
Ultra.
Okay, thank you.
I always use the best one. So we're just peeling off the materials here now. Okay. Got that part done. That's clipped on there. And then our 2 screws. Which they have been kicked away. Okay, just realized that thing cut out after screwing it all down here. It's no speaker grill at all, just a fake looking thing. So weird that this button doesn't actually have like a button. It's just for your finger. Anyways, This has been a very boring repair. This is Dustin with TWPD. If you guys have any requests, feel free to request more. If you have found the glass on this and you need glass repair and you can find the glass, I'll do the repair for free on camera because I'd like to get glass repairs done. So as of right now, I cannot find any glass repairs whatsoever. If you have any device that is not listed on our channel, you can go to TWPD YouTube and search our videos for your particular phone. If you can't find it, and I approve, I will do any repair for free so I can get it up here on YouTube. All you have to do is pay for shipping and for the phone part. Okay guys, I'll just show you this works here real quick and then that'll be it. And once again, if you need this phone fixed, it's $40 plus the cost of part. You buy the part, send $40 via PayPal or money order, and I'll install it for you if you don't think it's something that you could do. Seems like everything is functioning just fine. Perfect. Thanks guys, you have a great day.